first phase of relaxations under lockdown 1.0 have come into effect. Restaurants, malls, hotels, all of them will be opening today. You've already got religious places that have opened up. But visiting such places will be a completely different experience in these times of COVID. We break it down for you in this report.
After more than 2 months of nationwide lockdown, India will begin to open up from Monday. Restaurants, malls, hotels and religious places are all set to reopen, but with new rules and restrictions in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. Eating in restaurants will be a whole new experience. Instead of proper cutlery, disposable plates will be used. There will be no elaborate menu cards, but a digital barcode that guests will have to scan. And of course, there will be a sanitizer at every table. For now, restaurants can run with only 50% capacity.
And we're going to have a lot of these QR code solutions which Dine Out is doing, which is going to be present in every table, and every single person which is going to be walking into the restaurant will be able to scan this QR code through their phones to open the menus on, on their individual phones.
I've used my phone to place my order using this QR code. On the other hand, what you will see when you used to have menus on every table, now you have these sanitization bottles. You will have to make sure that you sanitize your hands before you start eating. The other thing that has changed is the way in which the waiters used to greet you. Let me tell you, this is the first time that I've seen and met my waiter, but I cannot have an interaction with him because that is being prohibited. The restaurateurs also are making sure that everything is as contactless as possible.
Restaurants too are prepared to welcome clients back, though some say that they will prefer take-out orders over dine-in service.
We can't keep the restaurant open beyond 9 p.m. as well as there is already a weaker sentiment when it comes to dining in. Accounting all this, I think we wouldn't be able to do more than 30 to 40% of our pre-COVID business.
From Monday onwards, we are looking forward to open with the minimum capacity of 50%. Right now, the people are aware, but there is a confusion, a bit of confusion is there. Like as the guidelines have came, but as the guests will come and we will do the things, so gradually the things will go on.
In malls, limited people will be allowed inside the shop. Clothing trials are banned. Number of people in lifts and on escalators will be limited. Cinema halls, gaming arcades and children's play areas will remain closed.
They have this particular board before you enter, and it's very important that you read it. If you do not have a mask, they will not allow you inside. They have actually placed these markers over here, these distance markers. It clearly says, please maintain distance. All the tables and chairs have actually been spread apart in order to maintain social distancing.
In hotels, you will now have to undergo thermal screening at the entrance. Only visitors wearing masks will be allowed. Guests will have to declare their medical and travel history. In the capital, however, hotels and banquet halls will remain shut for now.
आने वाले समय में हो सकता है हमें कई होटल्स और बैंक्वेट हॉल्स को हॉस्पिटल्स के साथ अटैच करके उनको हॉस्पिटल्स में कन्वर्ट करना पड़े. इसके मद्देनजर अभी होटल्स और बैंक्वेट हॉल्स को नहीं खोला जा रहा.
This will be the first time in nearly 70 days that India will come out of confinement. The decision on the next phase of unlocking will be taken in July. Bureau Report, India Today.